Hi, my name is Muskan Siddiqui, and I am a student at FIIB with pursuing PGDM with my majors in marketing, and I'm placed with Federal Bank, a private sector bank in India.
What is one thing about FIIB that helped you stand out during the placement season?
So, if I talk about one thing at FIIB, it's undoubtedly the personalized teaching experience which we get at FIIB and the mentor mentee relationship which we build in FIIB. It is one of the exceptional things, like the mentor mentee relationship at FIIB. And also, it was during the placement season that the professors were throughout available with the student, and that is one thing which helped us during the placement procedure.
As banking is heavily reliant on customer service and financial acumen, how do you plan to enhance these aspects as at Federal Bank?
To enhance the aspect of customer service at Federal Bank, I would majorly focus on personalized communication and also on the digital banking aspect of the bank. And I would try to upskill myself simultaneously while the training procedure is going on in the bank so that I am able to get the required skill in order to operate in the bank.
What challenges did you face during the placement process and how were they resolved?
If I talk about one of the major challenges which I faced personally during the placement process was that a bit of confidence. Like I lacked confidence initially, but as I told earlier, that the college provide a very good environment of mentor-mentee relationship, due to which I was assured time to time, and I was backed by my mentors that you would be able to do it, and I'm very glad that I did it.
What essential advice would you share with juniors targeting placements in the banking sector?
It's just that while you are targeting to be placed at a banking sector, one thing that should be in your mind is that you should be very clear that if it's banking sector, you should love numbers, because I know that banking is not all about numbers, but there is an aspect of numbers, and also like you should know that how to interact with customers and to build a personalized communication with them.
What are your goals for the first year in your new role?
So my goal for the first year is that I aim to understand the company's culture and to master the skills that are required to operate in the banking sector, and to simultaneously focus on the feedback so that I can continuously improve on my work and to deliver the quality works.